Before we jump into Azure AI Foundry portal, let's quickly break down what Name Entity Recognition or NER actually is and why it is a foundational tool for a modern data pipeline. At its core, NER is a process of taking unstructured, messy human language like this and automatically identifying and classifying the key elements within it, like below. Human can read this and instantly know who people are or what companies are being discussed, but computers just see a raw string of characters. NER engine acts as an intelligent parser. As you can see in the diagram, it scans the text block, processes it, and cleanly maps out specific entity into categorization buckets. People like Satya Nadella and Lucas. Organization like Microsoft. Location like Greece. Dates and monetary values. Now why do we need this? Imagine having to manually read through thousands of customer emails, legal contracts or financial reports every day just to pull out names, dates or dollar amount. It is a slow, expensive and prone to human error. By offloading this to an automated NER engine inside Azure AI Foundry, we can instantly turn chaotic text into highly organized, structured databases. This allows business to automate workflows, trigger intelligent alerts, and feed clean data straight into downstream analytics tools or databases. Now that we understand the concept, let's open up the actual Azure AI Foundry dashboard and see exactly how to implement this using two different approaches. Today we are exploring the brand new Azure AI Foundry portal to demonstrate two fast, highly effective ways to run Name Entity Recognition or NER. We first build a generative AI extraction agent and then we'll look at highly scalable native text processing service. First method, generative AI agent method. Let's go in agent, new agent, build agent, create. Our agent is built. For our first method, we are going to use the modern generative approach. Over here in the system instruction pane, we are going to explicitly program our agent to act as a structured data extraction engine. Let's paste our system prompt. Let's feed some unstructured enterprise text in our chat window. If you see, this is unstructured, only human can understand. Let's submit. Look at that response time. The model instantly maps the block of text, pulls out individual people like Satya Nadella and Lucas, accurately identifies the organizations and formats everything into production ready JSON array. This is perfect for unstructured app pipelines. Demo 2, the native Azure language service method. Note, I'm in new Foundry. Let's go in services. Let's select Azure language text PII redaction. Now what if you need to run a massive compliance operation at a scale or extract standard entities without typing custom system prompts? Under the hood, this uses Azure Foundational Language NER engine. Okay, let's click open in Playground. Let's test this with a completely up-to-date industry example from August 2026 to see how it performs on modern tech terminology. Notice how clean this is. Without giving the platform any custom instruction, it reads the document contextually. It identifies August 6, 2026 as a date, highlights Nick as a person, and accurately bundles cutting-edge multimodal models like Anthropic, OpenAI. It even isolates the location variable down to Frankfurt, Germany. Two different approaches, one unified dashboard inside the new Azure AI Foundry. Whether you want a creative JSON flexibility of LLM agents or strict compliance mapping of core language services, Foundry handles it seamlessly. Now the best part about this walkthrough is that we are keeping it incredibly simple. You don't need to write lines of complex code, massive machine learning infrastructure, or be a data scientist to understand how this works. By looking at these two straightforward examples, we see exactly how text enters the system, how the AI isolates valuable data points, and how it delivers them back to us. It's the perfect clean-cut foundation we need before scaling up to larger automated developer projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.